So titignan natin yung kung anong klaseng bawi ang ipapakita rito ng Rising Suns as we rejoin the action dito po sa San Juan Arena sa Angueta Baquero scores. Noel Zarate alongside Michelle Gumabaw and Rina Villamor dito po sa Shakey's V-League Open on GMA News TV. At bagong
Napansin ko rin, Noel, sa game ng Cagayan, talagang nawalan sila ng receive nung first set. Yun siguro ang kailangan nilang i-improve pa the second set.
Dave. Here is Maizo ngayon. Hindi na itawid yung bola. So tied at 1 right now. Very quickly, gusto ko lang batiin itong si Chris Capini, husband ni Joy Lagasca. Happy birthday, sir.
Happy birthday.
Nung isang gabi pa nagtitweet si Mrs. So happy birthday. Pati na rin yung mga Septemberian natin na birthday celebrants na dalawa katabi ko rito ngayon. Michelle Gumabaw, September 2. Gawin na natin matlong yan. Yung kay Barry Pasco, talagang pampiesta. Kasing haba ng Pasko yan eh. September to March. Barry Pasco has just turned, hindi ko na sabihin yung edad, pero sabihin ko na lang, we are celebrating almost half a century in the sports broadcasting and sports journalistic industry. Dahil dito kay Barry Pasco. As the Cagayan Valley scores again. Yung coverage ngayon ng PNP, medyo nangangamote, Michelle, ha?
Nangangamote. Siguro, you can never be too complacent when you're up against a team like Cagayan Valley. Even though you won the first set, kailangan same pa rin yung intensity at palaban itong team na itong PNP.
At mabuti na lang mahaba galabay ni Mitch to win that time because the set of Concepcion was nowhere near where that win needed it to be. 3-2 po ang ating score. If it's Fun Family Pizza, it's gotta be Shakey's.
Ito na naman tayo sa Shakey's eh.
Oo. Pag nababagit mo, there's a certain smell. Oo, di ba? Naamoy mo kaagad pag binagit mo Shakey's, naamoy mo na yung... Paborito ko po dyan yung garlic and cheese na thin crust with extra cheese. Ayan, na-extra cheese tuloy sila. Oh, nice block that time by Aiza Maizo.
Nakakuha ng blockers na nila yung timing ng spiker to si Marciano.
I would like to thank our friends from Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down. Setting change, Robbie Ramijo, the former FEU setter, seeing action against her former coach, si Nespa Millar.
And you said earlier na she started before.
Yeah, siya yung original starter.
PNP.
Before Veronica Concepcion came off the bench and started changing things para dito sa Lady Patrollers. No second ball. Sasaluhin pa sana ni Datuin. Nagsasanay na siya para sa Thailand.
Yes,
ito yung mga kampi niya eh.
Mag-practice.
Sa lineup nila. We were talking about it kanina. Yung the players who are not here actually are members of the national team. There's 7 of them who are not here. From Adamson, si Faye Guevara at saka ito si May Makatuno. And from Perpetual, si Royce Tubino is also not here. Sama na rin natin dyan yung dati niyang ka-schoolmate na gumraduate na. Si Arian Argarin is also not here. Oh, yeah, nice. Drop there coming from Janine Marciano. So, ilan na ba yun? Hindi na binilang.
Dami. Noel Zarate.
Hindi naman. So, again, it's Makatuno, Guevara, Tubino, Argarin. Andyan din si Leslie Angata, who is going to be one of their liberos also. Andyan din si Danica Hendrauli.
Datuin.
Datuin, we already know she's already here. And Angela Benting.
Benting.
So, yun yung 7 wala rito.
Relatively young crew. Ang mga pinasok ni Coach Ness will be the coach of the national team,
That's true. But Robbie Ramijo learned that move from Nespa Millar himself.
Natawa si Coach,
tinuro niya kay Robbie. Tandaan natin si Nespa Millar when he was a player, probably the best setter in the history of the country. Here is Benito right now. Nagulat si Sang Muang, pero buhay pa rin ang bola. Ito ngayon si Marciano. And Marciano dealing a knockout blow. Ibang Marciano yun.
Marciano right now is the perfect example of an open spiker na kahit malayo sa net kahit malayo yung bola sa net, kaya mo pa rin i-convert sa powerful spike.
In fact, I'm looking at the lineup ng PNP. Na-move itong si Molina to the middle position, which is not bad kasi ang haba rin niya. Nablaka nga niya doon. Itong si Angueta Baquero, Sang Muang ang isang open nila ngayon.
Nagpalit tayo ng posisyon.
Axel is the official outfitter of the Shakey's V-League kasi tandaan natin, bago dumating si Sang Muang, si Molina yung isa nilang open.
Yes.
Here is Soriano trying to swipe it off Dave and it works. So from one Adam Sonian to another. Yun na naman yun. The plot thickens dito. 8-7. Dikit po ang ating laban dito sa ating second set. Balikan po natin action dito. Joy Benito about to serve. Everything is already in order. Yung kinikwento ko sa iyo kanina. The last time we had an international competition was the 2005 SEA Games in Manila. Nag-bronze medal tayo nun. As there's Pachari Sangmuang including Efren Gaas facing her point.
Yes.
Tayo bronze medalist nung time na yun. That national team included the Carolino sisters, Tina Salak, Maureen Penetrante.
Philippine Army.
Oh, halos gano'n. Well, Maureen Penetrante was there. Cherry Rose Makatangay was also there on that team. Kasama si Joanna Butor-Carpio, Ruby De Leon. That was the last time na nagkaroon tayo ng isang international exposure as Tabacero scores until June of this year, Michelle. Nung nagpadala ang V-League selection ng isang national team on the prodding of the PSC and the POC para lumaban sa AVC, the Asian Volleyball Confederation Southeast Asian Zonal Qualifiers in Vietnam. So that team was coached by Roger Gorayev. Nandun ito, si Pao Soriano at si Jack Jonella kasama sa team na yun. Santiago sisters were there. Eliza Valdez was also on that lineup. Ruby De Leon was the senior member of that lineup also. Myla Pablo, marami sila.
How did they perform?
They finished third dun sa tournament na yon. Natalo natin dun ng Myanmar. And we lost against Indonesia kasi meron isang player ang Indonesia na hindi ko alam kung lalaki o babae. Talaga, seriously. Tanong mo kay Jen Reyes. May pictures yung dalawa ni Jen Reyes doon. So now, this is the second time na magpapadala tayo. Pero ito na yung pinakamalaki. Asian Championships na. Ito pinag-uusapan natin.
We will wish the national team luck in their journey tomorrow.
And Mikasas, the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. At tama sinabi ni Rina, kabracket natin dyan, of course, una natin mga kalaban is India. Tapos noon, Iran, last game natin is China. Alam natin China, powerhouse talaga.
Of course.
Pero ang kwento naman sa akin ni Coach Norman Miguel, nung nagpadala ng sa isang club championship naman ng 2011, Shakey's V-League selection din yon, nakalaban din natin ng Iran. Nanalo tayo ng 1 set sa Iran. So, it is not as strong as people think. Hindi mga hadadi, mga player nila doon.
Mga hadad niya, sobrang tangkad pa.
Hindi naman siguro. Concepcion will come in replacing Remigio as it is a 12-9 score ngayon para sa Cagayan Valley. Yung India, wala tayong balita masyado sa India. Pero alam natin, China, malakas talaga yon. So we wish the members of the national team well as Pachari Sangmuang from Thailand scores. 12-10 po ang ating score. Tignan natin ang ating huling slow motion replay. Makikita mo, bentang-benta ni Datuin yun. Pero triple block yung humabol. Wala rin nangyari. Brought to us by Rexona Anti-Perspirant Deodorant. It won't let you down.
And Pachari Sangmuang won't let you down.
That's true. Saet. Oh, hindi na itawid yun ni Aiza Maison. The face of Maizo says it all.
Aminado naman siya. Some players kapag tinawagan ng referee, magagalit pa eh.
Oo.
Minsan ganun ako, Noel eh.
Ah, well, si Aiza alam naman natin, naman reklamador to.
Yes.
Kahit nasa UST siya, alam mo bakit? May mga taga-reklamo siya. Tabakero, sino pa ba nandyan? Si Balse, yung mga Guyana. Nice defense shown there by Datuin and Concepcion. Ay, yung mga taga-reklamo.
Diyan si Maru.
Si Maru. Hindi, actually, yung panahon niya, iniisip ko kung sino pa yung mga taga-reklamo niya doon eh. Na actually, si Tabakero lang, okay ka na eh. Denistan.
Oh, yes.
Yan. Here is Tabakero. That's a delayed shot coming from Angge.
Nalito si Angge doon. Nalito doon yung blockers ng PNP doon.
Right.
But still, she put that away.
Pero again, credit the hang time para dito sa batang ito na talagang over the years, hindi na nagbago laro niya. It's been consistent.
Yes. And andun pa rin yung power, andun pa din yung endurance pagdating sa laro kahit hindi na masyado nagte-training.
Datuin pushing it across. Benito is there. Saet ngayon. Sending it to Aiza Maizot. Kagat na kagat si Marciano at si Datuin doon na palihis na tira nito si pacheck na tira ni Aiza Maizot. Teka, uy, lifting ay tatawag kontra kay Aiza Maizot.
There goes Angge Tabakero. Going near the referee.
Kaya nga siya yung captain eh.
Yes.
Tingnan natin. Lifting nga ba? It's very close. What do you think?
For me, I think it was. Well, because mas maganda yung view ng referee. Pero kasi nakita mo ang tagal ng kamay niya sa bola eh.
Right.
If talagang gusto lang niya itip in isang 1 second, okay na yun eh.
Master niyan si M. Penetrante Oano.
Yes. Nakuha na rin niya kasi sa baba yung bola.
Wow!